In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone, iPad, and even through iCloud. We've all had that moment of panic when we realize an important note has disappeared, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to get your valuable notes back. First, let's start with the most straightforward solution. We'll check the recently deleted folder. This is a handy feature that stores your deleted notes for a certain period before they're permanently erased. It's like having a safety net for your notes. To begin, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Notes app. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed. This app houses all your notes, organized into different folders, which makes navigating easier. Next, you'll want to locate the folders view within the app. This is typically visible as soon as you open the application. Now in this folders view, look for the folder labeled recently deleted. It's usually at the bottom of your list of folders. Give it a tap and you'll be directed to a list of all the notes you've deleted in the past 30 days. Yes, you heard that right, 30 days. However, keep in mind that notes older than this may no longer be recoverable. Once you are inside the recently deleted folder, you'll see a list of notes. Carefully scroll through to find the note you wish to recover. When you spot it, tap on the note to open it. This step is crucial to ensure you're recovering the correct note. Accuracy here can save you from the frustration of having to start the process over. After opening the desired note, look towards the bottom of your screen. You should see an option that says Recover. Go ahead and tap Recover to bring your note back to its original folder. And voila, your note is back where it belongs, safe and sound. This process is quick, efficient and straightforward, allowing you to retrieve those precious notes without breaking a sweat. And there you have it, you've just learned how to recover a deleted note using the recently deleted folder on your iPhone or iPad. Always remember this handy feature as it's an absolute lifesaver in those moments of digital crisis. Whether it's for a forgotten meeting note, a vital piece of research, or just a personal memo that you treasure, knowing how to quickly recover your notes can save you a lot of time and stress. So, whenever you find a note missing, give this method a try before hitting the panic button. Thank you for watching and be sure to check back for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy recovering.